Hello guys, good morning. So this time we're going to check the IP address of our Windows Server 2008 R2 and Windows 10 in the VirtualBox. Guys, so I have here three operating system. So the first one is my default operating system, which is the Windows 10. Then I have also my Windows Server 2008 R2, this one. I have also my Windows 10. There are two operating system in the VirtualBox. To check the IP address, we're going to network. Okay, so control panel, network and internet, network and sharing center, local area connection, so properties. Okay, so we have here the 192.168.0.100, subnet mask 255.255.255.0. So we have also the default gateway 192.168.0.1. Then, the preferred DNS 127.0.0.1. Okay, so same process dito sa Windows 10 to check if there is an IP address in your Windows 10. Okay, sa Ethernet, properties, okay, Internet Protocol version 4. So, I have here the 192.168.0.105. So, this is a Class C IP address. No? Any IP address that starts with 192 is considered as Class C. To check the connectivity of your network, we're going to the CMD command. CMD. So, dapat guys, check natin yung CMD before tayo mag-folder redirection para po accurate yung pag-rules natin. Okay, so the first one is we're going to type the IP config. Okay, so 192.168.0.100. Sakto ba? So, check natin. 192.168.0.100. Okay, sakto guys. Then, punta tayo guys sa Windows 10. Check natin IP config. So, 192.168.0.105. Check po natin guys kung sakto. Okay. So, sakto po. So, this time, to check their connection, we're going to ping. Ping the server. So, we're going to ping 192.168.0.100. 192.168.0.100. Okay. So, replying from 192.168.0 with 32 bytes of data. So, bytes 32. So, time 5 ms, TTL 192. Check natin po yung Windows 10, 192.168.0.105. Okay, so, nag-reply din po yung client. To check their connection, if you're going to use the ping command, you're going to check the IP address of the Windows 10 pag dito ka po mag-check sa Windows Server. Pero pag ikaw po ay mag-check ng server, gagamitin mo po yung IP ng server. Sample dito guys, ping. So, ping. Dito tayo sa client. Ping 192.168.0.100. Okay, so ang ginamit po natin guys dito guys is yung IP address ng server, which is the 192.168.0.100. Then, we're going to ping this IP address in the Windows 10. Okay, so, nag-reply po siya guys. So, ibig sabihin, connected po yung client papunta sa server. Okay, check natin yung kabila. Double check, 192. So, yung IP address po ng client is 192.168.0.105. So, try natin to 192.168.105. So, if there is connection. Okay, so there is connection guys because there is a reply from 192.168.0.105. Then, pag pumunta po tayo guys sa Windows 10, there's also a reply coming from the server which is the 192.168.0.100. So, this is only the basic peer-to-peer access. So, we're going to check the network kung nabasa na ba yung Windows 10. Ito po si desktop G5F. So, we're going to manually check kung connected na po sila. Check natin yung network. So, ito po guys, ito po, yung fear na po, yung fear, ito po yung name ng server. Itong desktop, ito naman po yung name ng client. So, double check natin guys. So, we're going to check this one kung sakto ba. This PC, then properties. So, scroll down, rename this PC. Change this one. Okay, so desktop G5F, desktop G5F. Sakto po. No? So, that is the basic checking of the IP address. Before po tayo mag folder redirection para po madali tayong maka-obtain sa domain. Sana po marami kayong natutunan ngayong araw. Thank you. Okay. Bye-bye.